So for my first project to promote my physical education program, I choose to do a newsletter. I've done this in the past, but it hasn't been done consistently, and it's only, probably maybe once a year I've added to our newsletter. So I figured I'd make it look a little more professional and be more consistent with it and try to send one out once a month. So I called it Fitness in the Fort since we are the town of Fort Benton. Just catchy little title for it. And our PE program is K through 12 between two teachers. We do both all K-12, weight training, PE classes, health classes. So in this, I wanted to include a little bit about everything. Figured I started off by congratulating our athletics that are finishing their winter seasons and just give them a little kudos for the successful seasons that they've had this far before they head farther into tournaments. And then I wanted to talk a little bit about our high school strength and conditioning classes and how those have been coming along throughout the year and the progress that our students have made, and what we're going to do towards the end of the month by maxing, so kids can see the progress of how they've improved through their maxes throughout the year, and hopefully their parents will, this will prod them to ask questions at home a little bit, to just have conversations. And then our middle school physical education part, I wanted to put that we just concluded, a couple different units this month, and then what we are going to begin next month doing, we're going to do a little March Madness to kind of try to mimic, the basketball tournament, and just have little lessons on brackets and how brackets work. I think it's good that students have an understanding of how to use a bracket as well. And I also wanted to promote a speed training program that we do one morning a week, just to try to get more kids in here using that program and improving on their agility and, injury prevention as well. And then I wanted to use the second page just kind of to talk a little bit about elementary PE, and then since February is American Heart Month, I wanted to promote, how to have a healthy heart. And, I think the information we put on here can also kind of spark conversations at home with their students. If we discuss it at PE, I think it's important that parents also have conversations around the dinner table with their kids as well about eating and exercising and just about caring for their health as an individual as well. So hopefully we can make this more consistent. I plan on sending this out with our superintendent's newsletter and as well as online.